If you're interested in seeing how I got my hair like this, then keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ashley Renee here, Marley in the cut. But Marley, hi. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing a get ready with me hair edition because the girlies on Instagram polls said they wanted to see a get ready with me. So this one is coming to you from none other than Amazon girl. Yes, get your wig in 2 days, okay? All right, so let's get straight into the video. So details, Amazon. Hair brand, Jay-Z hair. I've never heard of them, but I did see this really pretty girl on YouTube and she was rocking this wig and I was like, I have to have that. I need a bang wig, something that could protect my edges. I'm tired of rocking these little frontals, y'all. Y'all ain't tired? Y'all edges ain't tired? Okay. Also, I'm not sponsored. I just wanted to say I bought this wig with my own money and it cost $100. Can't beat
$100
so,
Jay-Z hair Amazon.
Into the details. I was so excited. I'm so excited. All right. I'm a crackhead for hair. Number one, get to know me. All right, so let's go straight into it. It says that this hair is from Jay-Z hair. The density is 200. It's a Yaki straight hair, so that means it has like that little crinkly look to it for the straight hair to blend with African American hair texture. And it's a natural color, so that means it's a natural black brown color. And the inches is 16 inches. All right, so the details are as follows. It says, thank you for your purchase. Because of its texture and large volume, this product is easily deformed when placed in a bag. We can identify that. All right, so step one, it's only 3 steps on here, but I'm gonna read that because I be wanting to know. Once you get it washed in warm water, as curly texture hair is prone to tangling when washed. You could wash the wig by the upright method, this way, it's upright. At the end of the washing, instead of using a towel, use a wide tube comb from the bottom of the wig and to the top to avoid tangling and shedding. Then allow the wig to drip dry in an upright position. Step 2, because curly hair needs high temperature to hold texture. There may be some broken hairs off when you comb it. Please don't worry. It will be much better after combing. Last but not least, step 3. After the hair dry, you can cut the bangs and the back hair slightly to the style that you want. Additionally, because of its texture, it looks shorter than its stretched length, but its stretched length is long enough as you would order. Please have measurement if you have doubts about that. So basically, this is how the wig comes. Reading is fundamental. You need to understand how to properly take care of the hair. So that's why I decided to read with y'all. This is what the top of the wig looks like. It is a silk base, skin-like closure. This is what the bangs look like. They're super long, so that way you can kind of customize it to your liking. So this is the inside of the wig. It has 4 combs, 2 on the sides, 1 in the middle. I'll probably take the one in the middle out, and then there's 1 in the back. I'd leave the one on the sides, but I probably wouldn't use it as often because, you know, if you keep rubbing in and out like that, you're gonna cause a bald spot. This wig also does have the adjustable straps. It's a pre-made wig, so they all come like that. That's good. Make it tighter. I'm not sure the cap size, it doesn't say, so I'm a medium cap size. My circumference around is about 22 inches, so that's pretty average for a female. So now that the details are out of the way, I am going to customize this unit to make it to my liking. I'm not feeling the black. The black is not for me. I really like to see myself with golden and warm tones, so maybe I was thinking to give this baddie a bleach bath. Since it's 100% human hair, we are gonna be testing you guys out Jay-Z hair, so let's find out. We're gonna do a brown base.
I find why I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me something, yes, thanks. I try to need you.
Would you believe me if I told you that this wig, girl, was $100? Matter of fact, $99, because y'all like to hear little shit like $99.99. This wig is definitely giving. I purchased this hair on the 18th, December 18th. So I had it roughly about 2 weeks. It's going on its third week now. Today is the 4th. So yeah, it can be dyed. I dyed it to this auburn chocolatey brown color that I really love, by the way. And what else can I tell you guys? It definitely holds the curls. So these curls have been in for about 3 hours. And yeah, I didn't put any product on this hair whatsoever. All right, so if you are a busy mom, this wig is for you. If you have lost your edges, girl, this wig is for you. If you have edges and you just wanna work out and, you know, do all of that, this is for you. I recommend this wig. It's 200 density. So that means it's a thick one. You can curl it, you can color it. The options are endless, and you can customize the bang to your face shape. So it doesn't come with a stock size bang. You basically can, you know, do whatever you like. I tuck the rest behind my ears, or you can create like a fringe or whatever. But yeah, girl, $100, Amazon 2-day shipping. You can't beat that. And again, the name of the company is Jay-Z Hair. I definitely recommend it. Wig has been worn by me for about 2 weeks. I got it on the 18th and I've been in nature with this wig. I brought in the new year with this wig. I said Merry Christmas in this wig. Girl, get this wig. Get this wig. All right, so that about wraps it up, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.